Well, hello, women, Orange County sisters. I love you all and some brothers too. This is Leisa Reid, founder of Get Speaking Gigs Now, and I have a cool tip for you. I bet that now more than ever, you've been speaking, especially on Zoom, more than you ever have. And there's a tip that you're going to want to remember, whether you're speaking on a big stage or you're the official speaker or you're just speaking as you're representing yourself. And that is something I'm doing right now, is that you want to look into the camera. It gets really tricky with Zoom because if you're in a group with a bunch of people, you might be looking down here, but you think you're making eye contact because you're looking at the person who's in that bottom screen, or maybe they're over here, or maybe they're over there, or maybe they're right here, or maybe you're reading your stuff and you think no one can tell. Well, one of the things that we need to adjust to as speakers and representing our business is on Zoom, you need to know where your camera is. It's right there. So you want to make sure, give it a little test. And that is my speaker tip for you. I hope that that helps you and that you remember, and maybe you'll remember me when you're on your next Zoom call and you look up, you're like, oh, yeah, I'm supposed to be looking in the camera. It's a little hard to get used to, but once you get it, you will be amazing. If you still would like to check out the Get Speaking Gigs Now virtual workshop I'm holding on October 28th, you can still do that. I will put the links to the describing the workshop in the comments, and I'll also put that special eWomen Network Orange County discount link in there for you as well. If you have any speaking questions, you're always welcome to reach out to me. I will talk to you soon. Remember, look in that camera. It's right there. Bye.